Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a group that you have created on Splitwise. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Splitwise application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed with logging in using your credentials or your Google account. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, if you wish to delete a group that you have created, tap on the groups button at the bottom left corner, which will show you all of your groups. Just tap on the group that you want to delete, and now in order to delete this group, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Now within this group, you can scroll all the way down and you will see the delete group option. Go ahead and tap on it and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to delete this group. Tap on the OK button and now this group will be deleted from your account right away. Make sure to settle up all of your pending payments before you delete the group however. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete a group that you have created on Splitwise. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.